How to check Facebook login devices. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. If you want to see where your account is logged in on different devices, or maybe that someone else from across the world has logged into your account, then I'll show you that in this video. So if it helped you out, let me know in the comments. But basically what you want to do is first of all go to the menu. Once you are here, you want to go to the settings in the top right corner, right over there. Now at the top, you can see the Meta Accounts Center. So you want to click on there, see more in Accounts Center. And once you are here, you can see the Accounts Center and you want to click on, I believe, password and security. Now, if you click on here, yes, you can actually see security checks where you're logged in. So I'm going to click on there. And this is basically where I can see where I'm logged in. So here you can see all of your accounts. So I also have an Instagram account connected to my Facebook account, but so I can choose which one I would like to check, but I'll just check the Facebook account for now. And then here I can actually see that, yeah, these are all basically my own phone. So, and you can obviously see the location as well. And these all seem to be fine. So, yeah, that's perfect. So that's how to check Facebook login devices. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.